How to export contacts on HubSpot quick and easy. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on how to export contacts on HubSpot. So let's get started. First, what you guys need to do is you will open up your HubSpot.com and you will land right here. Once you sign into your account, we get a lot of different options. In order to export your contact list, you guys need to click on the contacts right here, and then the last option is the list. This is where you will be able to find all of the lists that you created on HubSpot. So you can see we have lists, we have all lists, unused lists, recently deleted. So as many lists that you have created here, they will all be shown here. I have created this one. Once you have created a list, you can just open it up. This is the list that I want to export. Click on Actions. And then the third option is Export List. Select it. You have to select the properties. Click on Next. Then you need to enter where you want to export it to the format. Select your format. I'm going to select XLSX, and then we have our language. Click on Export. And your list, you can see export file is processing, and we will receive an email. So this is how you will export your list from HubSpot. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.